all of you guys, just mute yourself. And from my team who are attending the class, just tell your names. I'll make you co-host. From IT school who are attending the session. Santosh sir. Santosh sir is there? Yeah, madam. Unnara Miru?
Yeah.
What is the ID?
1 second.
ID Japan, I'll make you the co-host.
Sir, make me a co-host, sir.
Yeah, I made it's
Aman,
done.
sir.
Yeah, right. Next, Gita madam, I made you co-host, I hope, right? And anybody else? Lakshmi, Bhargavi, Tirupatam, are you there? Okay, right. And just how many are attending today is the first class? Guys? Yeah. Yeah, Santosh sir, you just share
Sir.
the WhatsApp link for students.
Right, sir. Right, sir. I'm sharing.
WhatsApp link. Yeah. So the guys who are not joined in our WhatsApp groups, just join. And this is only the main purpose of the WhatsApp group is to share you documents, videos, materials, all these things. Okay, right. Next, let me start the class. And yeah, I'll give you the brief about what happened in previous 2 classes. Now it is going to be 3rd class. Right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. You guys can respond in my chat window. I made you to only do chat. In between, I'll definitely will allow you to speak also with me. In chat window, just give me a message to all the people. Are you attending today is the first class or 3rd class? Just respond. From every student, I'm expecting this message. It's my first class or it's my 3rd class. Yeah. Okay, fine. I'm getting your messages. Very well. Right. Yeah. And I'll give you a number, and who are not given your details, just text to this number. Yeah, that number is, save this number and just give a text message. Reddy IT School number 9866177164. To this number, just WhatsApp your name, your phone number, your mail ID, qualification, MCA first year, BA first year, BCom first year, college name. Enough. Right. These details, please send to this number 9866177164. Yeah. And now you will get a WhatsApp link. Who are not joined in the group, you just join in that group for the further updates. Santosh sir, did you send the link, group link to all the people?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
మీరు వాట్సాప్ లింక్ నాకేం కనపడట్లేదు మరి మీరు పంపించింది నాకు కూడా రావాలి
Coming,
కదా.
sir. Correct.
Right. Okay, guys. Okay. Now come back to our discussion. Let's start our class. The main intention of to organize this class is to give you a impression that coding is not tough, coding is easy. And main target is a normal degree student also can learn programming, that I want to prove. And I want to prove a normal degree student also can become a software engineer. And coming to last 2 classes, I'm allowing you to speak. Now you speak. Who are attended last previous 2 classes, day 1, day 2? Yeah, just can you give me a brief about the class? If anybody are able to speak. Can you explain about the previous class? Hello? what I have explained in previous. All students, please off your videos. All the students, please off your videos. Right. Sir, are you able to see my video? The video
Yes, sir.
వస్తుంది
Yes,
కదా?
sir. Getting.
Yeah, right. Now come back to our discussion. Let me explain about the last two classes. And the guys who are missed the last two sessions, you don't worry. My team will share you the two video links in what right now in chat window. And
Yes, sir. Sharing.
rendu sir, ఒకటి share the WhatsApp group link.
Shared,
Second,
sir.
day one video, day two video, please share in chat window.
Right, sir. Right.
Yeah. Now come back to our discussion. We have taken two classes. In the day one class, what I have explained, I'm giving here. In day one, I have explained about what is .NET. In that, I have explained .NET is a software platform was introduced by Microsoft in the year 2002. Simple point. .NET is a software platform was introduced by Microsoft in the year 2002. And I have explained what we can do by using .NET. Using .NET, we can develop various types of applications. You can develop various types of applications. Are you clear with my voice? You can respond in chat window. For every my point, for every my question, you can respond in chat window. Are you able to? Your message will receive by me and my team only. Because here I enabled the chat, me to student, and student can respond. That message will come to host and co-host. Okay, don't worry about your message, your details. And your information will not go anywhere. Don't worry about it. Yes. Now, yeah. So next in that class, I have discussed on the day what we can do by using .NET. Just simple answer I have given. Using .NET, we can develop various types of software applications. Finally, two things are important here. Number one, what is .NET? It is a software platform was introduced by Microsoft. Number two, what we can do by using .NET? That is, using .NET, we can develop various types of applications like Windows application, web application. And in that day one class, the last conclusion is, in the day one class, what is the last conclusion is, as a .NET learner, what you need to learn. And the day one, I have explained, as a .NET learner, you have to learn C#.NET, ASP.NET, and so on. So, and in that, so we have discussed that, yeah, this is finally .NET learner has to learn one language called C#.NET, ASP.NET and ASP.NET MVC. This is web technology, and WCF and web API. It is a web service technology. ASP.NET is old technology. ASP.NET MVC is latest technology. And WCF is a old web service technology. Web API is a .NET latest web service technology. And SQL Server, it is a database technology. So this was, we concluded in the first session. Finally, you need to learn as a .NET developer four things. C#.NET, it is a .NET language నేర్చుకోవాలి. You have to learn. Next, you have to learn ASP.NET and ASP.NET MVC. That is .NET web technologies to develop a web page. Next, third one, .NET WCF and web API. It is .NET web service technology, old web service technology and latest web service technology. Then after that, we have discussed about database technology, that is SQL Server. SQL Server is a database technology. So, and recently, Microsoft has introduced .NET Core also. It is purely latest updates in .NET is .NET Core. So this is also, you have to, right? So these are what I have discussed in the day one. And as part of the day one, see, I am telling you, just follow my these 2022 classes. I'm sure you love programming. I'll make you to write the programs. And as part of the day one session conclusion is, we have to learn first C#.NET. That is an reason in the day two, I have given explanation about C#.NET. In that we have discussed a few points on the day. What is C#.NET? C#.NET is a .NET language. Why C#.NET? To define the logic, to write the logic, to define the functionality of the application. And to write the logic of the application, we need a .NET language called C#. What type of programming language is C#.NET? I said it is an object-oriented programming language. And after that, we have to discuss about programming features of C#.NET. I'm sorry, features of C#.NET that we are going to discuss today. Today we are going to discuss about the features of C#.NET. Right? Are you clear? Yes. So let me recall again the points what we discussed in the last two classes with the help of students. We'll get back. Now the students, I'm asking you a simple question. Four questions adutanante. It will be a revision for the new joinees. So the first question is, what is .NET? You are able to speak. I was unmute you now. Don't give any stupid noise from your kitchen or thing. Just talk if possible. Right.
.NET is a software platform which was introduced by the Microsoft in the year of 2002, Feb 13.
Yes. And what we can do by using .NET?
We can develop the web Windows application and web server, sir.
Yeah, web services, mobile applications. Right. Next, as a .NET developer, what you have to learn? Come on. As a .NET developer, what you have to learn? I have given a conclusion on the day one. What is it? You have to learn C#.NET language. You have to learn second. .NET web technology is called ASP.NET and ASP.NET MVC. Come on, answer. Third. WCF, web service technology called WCF and web API. Four.
SQL Server.
Database technology called SQL Server. .NET developers నేర్చుకోవాలి. ఒక .NET learner has to learn four things. Number one, C#.NET. Number two, ASP.NET and ASP.NET MVC. Number three, WCF and Web API. Number four, SQL Server.
Server.
మళ్ళీ అడుగుతాను. .NET developer has to learn first C#.NET. It is a .NET language. Number two, ASP.NET and ASP.NET MVC. It is .NET web technology. ASP.NET is a old one. ASP.NET MVC is the latest one. Number three, WCF and Web API. It is a .NET web service technologies. WCF is the old one. Web API is the latest one. Number four, SQL Server. SQL Server is a database technology. In నాలుగు నేర్చుకోవాలి అంతే. So now the .NET developer has to start the journey with what? C#. That in the second class we have discussed about C#. What is C#.NET? It is a .NET language.
is a .NET language.
Now number two, why C#.NET? To write the logic.
To
Simple.
define the functionality of the
Yes. Number three, what type of programming language is C#.NET?
object-oriented programming language.
Object-oriented programming language. Simple repetition. Now we are going to discuss about the features of the C#.NET. Number one, C. సార్ ఈ క్లాస్ నేర్చుకోవాలంటే బీటెక్ ఉండాలా ఎంసీఏ ఫైనల్ ఇయర్ అంటే కామన్ సెన్స్ ఉంటే 6వ తరగతి అయిపోతే 6th class completed student also can learn .NET from me. This subject is introduced by Microsoft. That's why it is called Microsoft.NET. Market లో ఉన్న 30 to 40% of the projects are using by Microsoft.NET developing. And ఎస్పెషల్ గా ఆఫ్ క్యాంపస్ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ అంటే కాలేజ్ అయి బయటకు వచ్చిన తర్వాత జరిగే ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ ని ఆఫ్ క్యాంపస్ అంటారు. ఆఫ్ క్యాంపస్ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ లో లీడింగ్ జాబ్స్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఇస్ .NET. బట్ ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ గురించి కాలేజీలో ఉన్న పిల్లలకు తెలియదు. Because in your academic, there is no .NET in your academics. That is the reason most of the people are not aware about that. And as a .NET trainer, I should introduce to the people. That's why we are organizing these classes. And once course is completed, you will get the course completion certificate also. Right. I'll tell you the process. And did you get the .NET installation document in WhatsApp group as today morning or something like that?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Document పంపించాం step by step .NET installation document.
Yes, sir.
Received
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How many are installed .NET software into your systems? Successfully installed. Tried or not tried till the time? Okay. IAS has to be configured. SQL Server has to be installed. Then .NET Visual Studio. They give you the document step by step with screenshots. Just follow the document. You can install with the help of internet. And while doing installation, you take the help of Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi only. Or you click cable net or Wi-Fi. Then only you can get installed easily. It's a 30 to 45 minutes process only. So on that's it. You can do it. Okay. So they'll give you by tomorrow. You complete this. Every statement should end with a semicolon. So that means when you write .NET programming, in that program, every statement should end with the semicolon. For example, statement 1 and statement 2 like this. Means when you write the program, every statement should end with semicolon. Number 2, C#.NET will support writing the notes, all of you. Are you
Yes,
writing?
sir.
Yes,
C#.NET will support.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Block level programming. C#.NET will support block level programming. Example for block. Open the brace, close the brace is called block. So statement 1, statement 2, statement 1, statement 2, statement 1, statement 2, like this. So whenever you want to write collection of statements for your logic, you will use the blocks. Block means opening brace to closing brace is a block. Number 3, C#.NET is a case-sensitive language. C#.NET is a case-sensitive language. Example for case-sensitive. So do you know any case-sensitive languages in your academic? Have you seen
C language.
some case-sensitive languages? Can you explain about the case-sensitive means what? Can you explain about case-sensitive means what? Come on.
Yes, sir.
చెప్పండి. సే కేస్ సెన్సిటివ్ అంటే ఏంటో మీకు అర్థమైన భాషలో చెప్పండి.
Cannot take like alphabets, capital alphabets, sir.
Yeah, let me explain. I am declaring a variable. 1 minute. Into a equal to 10. I have written a line like this. So what is this, declaring a variable. Variable declaration and initializing 10 into a. Initializing 10 into a. Am I right or not? Hello? What is the name of the variable? What is the name of the variable here? A. What is the data type? What is the data type?
Into data type.
Integer means you can have a numerical value. And what is the value?
10.
10. Okay, right. 1 minute.
10.
1 minute. 1 minute. Let me show you. So, what will happen in the memory? A will create like this. I'm drawing a diagram. A will create like this. And the value 10 will get what? Assigned. Yes, will store. Am I right or not? In between whatever you have, LHS, RHS, in between whatever you will have is called assignment operator. Assignment operator will assign the right hand side value into left hand side field. Here field is variable. Are you clear? Understood? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Variable declaration and initializing the 10 into A. So this is what. Right. Now, if you write, can I write this code in 2 lines? Can I write this code in 2 lines? Can I write? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How?
sir.
Int A variable declare. అరే బాబు వినండి అమ్మా వినండి లిజన్ మై వర్డ్. మీ అకాడమిక్ లో మీరు ఎన్నో సబ్జెక్టులు చదువుతారు, మ్యాథ్స్, ఫిజిక్స్, కెమిస్ట్రీ, అప్ టు 10th క్లాస్ 12 years, ఇంటర్మీడియట్ 2 years, డిగ్రీ 3 years, ఆర్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ 4 years. అంటే 17 years మీరు మ్యాథమెటిక్స్, సైన్స్, సోషల్. నా మాట విని లాస్ట్ కి మీకు ఉపయోగపడేది .NET ఆర్ జావా ఇఫ్ యూ కమ్ టు ఐటీ సైడ్. ఈ ఒక్క సబ్జెక్టు నేర్చుకుంటే, నేను ఎప్పుడో 2003-4లో నేర్చుకున్న, 3లో నేర్చుకుని 4 నుంచి ఐఎమ్ వర్కింగ్ ఇన్ దిస్. అంటే హౌ మెనీ ఇయర్స్? 20 years. నేను ఎప్పుడో నేర్చుకున్న ఆ సబ్జెక్టే నాకు భోజనం పెడుతుంది. ఇట్స్ గివింగ్ మనీ టు మీ, లైఫ్ స్టైల్, కెరియర్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సో అంటే ఈ ఒక్క సబ్జెక్టు నేర్చుకుంటే పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా, అంతకుముందు నీ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ అంటే నీ బ్యాక్లాగ్స్, నీ స్టడీస్ బాగాలేవు, నీకు అది లేదు ఇది లేదు అన్నీ పోతాయి. అది కరెక్ట్ గా చెప్పేవాని కాడికి వెళ్ళి పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా 4 నెలలు కాదు సార్, 8 నెలలు ఉంటే నేర్చుకుంటా. నేను 8 కాదు 10 నెలలు నేర్చుకుంటా పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా. ఇంకా నువ్వు కంపెనీలో జాబ్ చేస్తుంటే ఎప్పుడైనా రిజైన్ చేస్తా, వెన్ యూ రిజైన్ ఫర్ యువర్ జాబ్, ద కంపెనీ CEO హ్యాస్ టు సిట్ విత్ యూ. లైక్ దట్ యూ షుడ్ బి పర్ఫెక్ట్. ఫర్ దట్ పెద్ద కష్టమేం కాదు, just couple of months hard work, right? Variable declaration, okay, and A equal to 10. What is this? Initializing 10 10 10 into A, 10 into A. So these 2 lines code, can I write like this? Yes. But in case if I have written here capital A, then what will happen? In the second line, what you get? The second line
Error.
you get what? Error. Why you get error in the second line? Because in the first line you have declared variable as a small a. In the second line you are initializing the 10 into capital A. Immediately your C#.NET compiler will ask that, Babu, I know only small a, but I don't know about capital A. You declared it as small a, so I cannot recognize this capital A because the C#.NET is a case sensitive language. Case sensitive language. Are you clear about the 3 points what I said? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Simple. Ante కదా, that's it. ఏం లేదు. Okay, next. How to learn C#.NET. Now, every .NET learner, developer goal is want to learn C#.NET. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How to learn C#.NET. How to learn C#.NET. Right. How to learn C#.NET. Right. By using console application. By using console application, and with the help of console application you can learn C#.NET. You have to learn C#.NET with the help of console application. Now immediately I want to understand, are you writing the notes? What is console application? Are you writing the notes, all of you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
మీరు కాలేజీలో నోట్స్ రాయాలంటే ఇక్కడ బాగానే రాస్తున్నారు.
Yes, sir.
ఎవరు రాయట్లేదు సార్.
అంత యాక్టింగ్ చేస్తుర్రా?
అవును సార్.
అవునా?
సార్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఉందన్నాక రాసుకుంటాం కదా.
రైట్, చూద్దాం. వాట్ ఈస్ కన్సోల్ అప్లికేషన్? నేను నా నెంబర్ ఇచ్చి వాట్సాప్ లో చెక్ చేస్తాను, మొత్తం 250 మంది. రైట్, వెయిట్, మీరు రాశారు అది ఫోటో తీసుకుంటూ ఫోటోలు పంపించాలి. వాట్ ఈస్ కన్సోల్ అప్లికేషన్? End of the class I'll take photo of your notes to my WhatsApp. I'll check. Okay, what is console application? Any idea about console application, guys? Any idea about console application?
No, sir.
Actually, you know console application, but unfortunately you don't know that you are using console application. That is our bad luck. For example, one minute. Now I will explain, then you will only tell. An application which is accepting input from the user which is accepting input from the user and displaying output to the user with the help of command prompt window. With the help of command prompt window or లేదా console window is called as console application. An application which is accepting input from the user and displaying output to the user with the help of command prompt window or console window is called as console application. What is this command prompt window or console window? Any idea about this window, guys?
It gathers the input.
Black window, na? In your system, you will have this 1 minute.
Windows
You will
DOS.
have 1 minute. You will have this command prompt window. This window, na? Black window. Hello.
Yes, sir.
దీన్నే కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్ విండో అంటారు. దిస్ ఈస్ ఎన్ విండో ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ కన్సోల్ విండో. అంటే వాడు ఏమంటున్నాడు ఆ డెఫినేషన్ లో, an application which is accepting input, enter your name Rama, like accepting input from the user and displaying output to the user, like your name is Rama, displaying output with the help of there is no rich user interface, no other web page, Windows page, with the help of. And if user interface means what? User interface and a window which is taking input, which is displaying output is called user interface. For example, your mobile is having a screen. That screen is a user interface. But in console application, input and output will be with the help of a block window, command prompt window or console window is called as console application. In your academic
sir,
only you have seen, I said na, you know you are
sir.
using, but you don't know that you are using console program or console application. Hello. Right. Now, why console application? What is why console application, or what is the purpose of console application? What is the purpose of console application? What is the main purpose of console application? Right. What is the purpose of console application? Why console application? Here the question is what they are asking. What is my question? Why we have to go for console application? What is the purpose of console application? When we will go for console application? When we will go for console application? When you will go for console application? When we will go for console application? Are you clear? Understood all of you? Right? When we will go for console application? And as a ఎప్పుడు మీరు console application కి వెళ్తారు? Anybody can answer for this question?
For
Come on.
output, sir.
doing
Come.
program.
Very simple. To learn a programming language. To learn a programming language. To learn a programming language like C language, C++, Python, Java, C#.net. C#.net. You go with console application. The main purpose of console application is to learn a programming language. Whenever you want to learn a programming language, easy to learn a programming language with the help of console application, because console applications are lightweight applications, lightweight programs, which doesn't have any rich user interface like web page, mobile page, all these things. That is the main purpose of console application is to learn a programming language. That is the reason today we are going to learn your C#.net language with the help of console application. Are you clear up to here? Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Hello.
sir.
Yes. Next, the question is how
Sir.
to create a new console application by using .NET. Otherwise, how to create? Answer. by using visualstudio.net like below. With the help of visualstudio.net like below. What is visualstudio.net? You need to understand. What is visualstudio.net? What is visualstudio.net? It is .NET tool which we use to write programs in .NET platform. That means whenever you want to write the programs in .NET platform, you will use visualstudio.net tool. Are you clear? Understood? Understood. It's a development tool which you use to write the programs. Now I said like below, I'm creating application. First, open visualstudio.net. Open visualstudio.net. Whenever you install your .NET software in your mission, this visualstudio.net will be installed. In my system, I have installed already .NET software. That's why in my taskbar, you can see the visualstudio.net icon. Whether you are observed or not, are you able to see that icon?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is the icon of .NET software, .NET development tool, or .NET development environment tool. That is visualstudio.net. The icon will be visualstudio.net icon will be symbolic like this. Simply, you can say sleeping 8. Sleeping 8. Are you clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sleeping 8. Sleeping 8. నిద్రపోతున్న 8. Are you clear? That's the icon, Visual Studio icon. So you can keep the icon mouse here. ఇలా పెట్టుకొని చూడండి. ఇలా పెట్టినప్పుడు డెఫినెట్ గా ఇట్ విల్ టెల్ యూ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ visualstudio.net అండ్ పాపప్ వస్తుంది జనరల్ గా. రైట్, ఇక్కడ చూడండి 1 minute. చూడండి పాపప్. One minute. Slow on the system. Right. Okay, that is your visualstudio.net. First, you have to open it. If you want to open it, you have to click that. You have to click it. If you click this, I'm going to open visualstudio.net. And now I am showing you how to open visualstudio.net. In your system, you need to 1 minute. I'll close it. It's opened. Again, I'll open because I have to show you that tool text and tool text అంటే ఏదన్నా ఒక ఐకాన్ మీద మనం కర్సర్ పెట్టినప్పుడు ఆ ఐకాన్ ఏంటో చెప్పేదాన్ని ఆ టెక్స్ట్ ఐకాన్ ఏంటి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇది ఏంటి, ఇది ఒక ఐకాన్. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ ఐకాన్? గూగుల్ క్రోమ్. ఇది పెట్టినప్పుడు గూగుల్ క్రోమ్ అని రావాలి. ఆర్ యూ లైక్ దట్? సో ఐ థింక్ సిస్టమ్ స్లో ఉండటం వల్ల రావట్లేదు. సో దిస్ ఈస్ యువర్ visualstudio.net ఐకాన్. యూ క్లిక్ దిస్. 1 minute. You click this. And when you install .NET software, this visualstudio.net will be installed into your mission. This icon will create on your taskbar. This is called taskbar. All the software icons will be there. And this icon will create in programs menu. This icon will create in programs menu. Programs menu. You know programs menu. This start button key press cheste open ayye menu ni we'll call it as programs menu. In this programs menu also, all your installed softwares of this mission will be showing. You can see this. You can see. Okay, here also in this list also somewhere you will have your visualstudio.net. ఏదైతే సాఫ్ట్వేర్లు మీరు ఇన్స్టాల్ చేశారో all the softwares will be showing here. Understood? Are you clear? So you can scroll this. If you will scroll this menu item, this is called programs menu. All your softwares, whatever you installed in your mission, will be showing. The list of the items icon will be showing in this menu. This menu is called programs menu. You can see. Here you can see. Here you can see. 1 minute. You can see. In this, you can see. అందులో మీకు అన్ని సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ చూపిస్తుంది. సో గిందాక చూపించింది విజువల్ స్టూడియో ఐకాన్. విజువల్ స్టూడియో as shown. Right. 1 minute. Visual Studio. యా సో ఇందులో ఈ లిస్ట్ లో మీకు వస్తుందమ్మా ఇది ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ మెనూ అంటాం విజువల్ స్టూడియో ఇట్ షోయింగ్ సిమిలర్లీ ద సేమ్ విజువల్ స్టూడియో ఐకాన్ విల్ బి షోయింగ్ ఇన్ యువర్ టాస్క్ బార్ same visual studio icon will create in your desktop also remember this point you click this icon now it's showing tool text is it able to see the visual studio 2015 observed yes
sir.
right
Yes,
you
sir.
click this when you click this icon it will open your visual studio.net your visual studio.net is open now here you can observe you have two options first option is new project second option is open project the main purpose of new project is to create the new application and to click the open project when you click the open project you can open the existing application you can open the existing application are you clear
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so now
Yes,
our
sir.
target is creating a new application or opening the existing application.
New
New,
application, sir.
new
That's why
Creating a
click
new
on,
application.
that's why click on, click on new project item, new project link అనుకోండి link, new project link, click on new project link. When you click this, what will happen you see. And it is 2015, but you can install 2022 Visual Studio, latest one. Now, 1 minute, please don't disturb. Please don't disturb the class. Mute yourself. Right. And it will open new project window. It will open, last one. It will open new project window. New project window. It will open new project window. Here you can observe. Left side you have languages. Right side you have type of applications what you want to develop. So here our language is C sharp. C sharp is the language you have to select. And what is the type of application you are going to create?
Console
console
application.
application.
Console application. So
Console
that is the
application.
reason here you can say select language as Visual C sharp, Visual C sharp, and type of application as what is the type of application? Console application.
Application.
Console application. Type of application as console application and rename it as my first
Project.
whatever it is you can write my first project or application whatever it is my first project rename it as my first project location as D drive click OK button click OK button click OK button click OK button D drive click OK button click OK button click OK button with this process it will create a new console application within D drive are you clear within which drive D drive did you understand what I said all of you did you
Yes, sir.
understand clear yeah within
Yes,
D
sir.
drive
Sir.
within D drive this is the process to create a new application in C sharp so 1 minute so you can observe it will create it your application is opened also now my question to you all the application what is the software platform you are used to
C
.NET
sharp button.
.NET is a platform software platform what is the development tool you are using .NET which tool you use it to develop your program Visual
Visual
Studio .NET Visual Studio. What is the language you are using? C#. What is the type of application?
Console application.
Console
And
application.
what is your project name?
My first location.
My first project.
In which location you are saving?
D drive.
Drive.
D drive. D drive. So what drive? D drive.
D drive.
Are you clear?
D drive.
Now it will open created new console application development environment. It will open created new console application development environment. So you can observe it will open new console application development environment is open now. So this why you call it as a development environment of console application means this environment is using by the developer to develop the application. You and me are the developers using this. Are you clear? That is the reason it's called console application development environment. Where you write the console application programming, that is called console application development environment. Are you clear? Yes. So this console application development environment will have mainly two windows. Will have mainly two windows. Number one, code window. Number two, otherwise. Number one, solution explorer window. Number two, code window. Number one, solution explorer window. Number two is code window. You observe. Solution explorer window. It will have mainly two windows, I said, because the environment you need to understand. Number one, solution explorer window. You can see view అంటాడు దాని మెనూలో వ్యూ ఇచ్చాడు. వ్యూ అంటే చూడటం. View, solution explorer. Now solution explorer window is open. Are you able to see solution explorer?
Yes, sir.
ఎలా ఓపెన్ చేయాలి? View, solution explorer. Okay, next window is code window. This is code window. This is code window. Second window is what? Code window, programming window, where you write the code. Solution explorer. But are you able to see? Hello. Right? Now coming to solution explorer window. We need to understand solution explorer window. Right. What is the window? Solution explorer window. First window. దీని గురించి చదువుకుందాం first. We'll understand about this window. Tomorrow class lo we'll discuss about this solution explorer window very clearly. Okay, then we see the code window. After we see the solution explorer and code window, ఆ రెండు విండోల గురించి చెప్పుకోవటం అయిపోయిన తర్వాత we start programming. ఆల్మోస్ట్ రేపు మన ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది.